Hi teens, I'm Karen the librarian with the County Library's Riverton branch, and today's guest is Teen Madison. Hi Madison.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Hey, what have you been reading lately?
I've been reading Thunderhead.
Thunderhead.
It's a sequel to Scythe.
Scythe, awesome. And I just finished In the Key of Narragani, which is awesome. So I'm glad we're reading. Every day we go on walks, like you know, I've talked about it in the past. It helps us keep our spirits up, but it's spring outside, it's beautiful, and on our walks I was thinking about garden gnomes. So today we are doing some upcycling. Madison, what's upcycling?
It's fancy recycling.
It's fancy recycling. So basically we're taking toilet paper rolls. I know everyone has these at home, right? And we're making something functional, decorative, something nice that you can reuse. And these are super cute. These have been in our rooms. I like them a lot. So this is 3 parts. Everything should be found at home. Paper. If you don't have colored paper, just use white paper. You can decorate it with crayons, markers, draw designs, whatever. We happen to have some scrapbook and construction paper, colored paper. So you're going to take paper and cut it to the size of the toilet paper roll. You can use half, a third of the toilet paper roll, whatever size you want your gnome. And you're just going to wrap it and cover it with, use glue or tape, just cover your toilet paper roll. So Madison's doing that. Step 2 is the beard. So before we get to the beard, what I'm going to show you is how to cut your paper for your hat and the beard. So we just took this regular piece of paper and I'm going to cut off about 1/3 of it. I don't have a ruler, so I'm just going to kind of measure it, folding it into a third. And it's lengthwise cut into 1/3. This part will be your beard. This part is my hat, or it's a template for your hat. So with this part, since it's like this, I just kind of measure the distance of the center, again just eyeballing. And then what I'm going to do, there's my center, is kind of draw a triangle to that point. So here is the template for my hat. With the beard, what we're going to do is take this part, and now I'm going to fold it 1/3 again. With this part, 1/3 of it, I'm going to fold it in half and make a Santa Claus style beard. Just cut out a shape like Santa Claus, like this. And then you're going to cut strips. So the strips you cut to about 1/4 of an inch to the top. And the thinner you make them, the more curls you'll have. So they should look like this. This is my beard. So once you finish that, you're going to take it, your beard, and I like to use a paintbrush, something smaller than a pencil. If you don't have anything smaller than that, a pencil is fine. It's just easier to make paper curls from this. So I take maybe a couple of strips at a time and just roll it from the bottom up like this. And when you're finished rolling, it should look like this. That's a good beard. So once you're done with your beard, you're going to tape that to your body. And Madison's got hers taped to her body. And I will hurry and tape mine to my body. Okay. Once you finish with that, we're going to get started on the last part, which is the hat. And Madison helped me cut out this. You can use this as a template. What we're going to do is cut out from the top just a teeny tiny part of the tip. You can either cut straight across or just a little slight curve. So it looks like this. And you're going to roll it into a unicorn horn, you know? Yeah, like that. So I find that sometimes this is pretty tricky to fold. I mean, I've tried, we should show them all the mistakes I made earlier. I mean, this one's too wide at the top. This one's tough. It was just, you know, kind of challenging. But I find that if you start gently from the top and just kind of gently roll, it'll go smoother. And then, oh, do you mind getting me a piece of tape, Madison?
Yeah.
Then I find if you tape it at the top and then kind of make sure that it fits over the toilet paper roll. If you roll it too tightly, it's not going to fit. So I kind of try to roll it, play with it a little bit. Can I have one more piece of tape? Thank you. So this one's rolled, so there's a pretty snug fit. So I taped it the top and bottom, and then I like to glue it. If you find that you kind of crunched it a little bit, you can take a marker or some tool up there and help it straighten out. So we also glued the inside of the seam. And if you don't have glue, tape is great, but it will take quite a bit of tape. And then I'm going to trim off just a tiny bit from the bottom. If you trim off too much, you're going to find that it might not fit. So just a tiny bit. And how's yours, Madison?
It's done.
Yours done. And by the magic of TV, it's done. Oh, it fit. Yay! Those are pretty cute. I've seen online where some people kind of fold their hats over. Those are pretty cute, like that. A Gnome little hat. They crushed it. We liked ours very tall, right?
Yeah.
So those are pretty fun. I hope you have fun upcycling some toilet paper rolls, because I know you have plenty lying around. And to remind our friends, if you're sad or lonely, please download the Safe UT app. This is for teens. It's also for parents who want to ask how to help their teens. Parents and teens can text or call this number for free. There's someone there who will talk to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We want you to know that we care about you and we miss you at the library. We can't wait to see you. We hope you're safe. Teens, you're awesome just the way you are. We'll see you soon. Bye.